Olive oil may have health benefits due to its high concentration of healthy monounsaturated fats and antioxidants. It has anti-inflammatory properties as well. Dietary fat's health effects are debatable. However, experts agree that olive oil, particularly extra virgin olive oil, is healthy. Let's take a look at 9 powerful benefits of olive oil. But before we get into the video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and don't forget to leave a comment below. And with that being said, let's get started. Number 1. Olive oil is rich in healthy monounsaturated fats. Olive oil is a natural oil derived from the fruit of the olive tree. Around 14% of the oil is saturated fats, with the remaining 11% being polyunsaturated fats like omega-6 and omega-3 fatty acids. However, the predominant fatty acid in olive oil is oleic acid, a monounsaturated fat that accounts for 73% of the total oil content. According to research, oleic acid reduces inflammation and may even have anticancer effects on genes. Extra virgin olive oil is a healthy choice for cooking because monounsaturated fats are resistant to high heat. Number 2. Olive oil contains large amounts of antioxidants. Extra virgin olive oil is relatively healthy. In addition to its beneficial fatty acids, it contains trace amounts of vitamins E and K. However, olive oil is also high in antioxidants. These antioxidants are biologically active and may lower your chances of developing chronic diseases. They also help to protect your blood cholesterol from oxidation and fight inflammation, which may reduce your risk of heart disease. Number 3. Olive oil has strong anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is thought to be a major contributor to diseases like cancer, heart disease, metabolic syndrome, type 2 diabetes, Alzheimer's, arthritis, and even obesity. One of the primary reasons for the health benefits of extra virgin olive oil is its ability to reduce inflammation. The antioxidants are the primary anti-inflammatory agents. Among them is oleocanthal, which has been shown to work similarly to anti-inflammatory drug ibuprofen. According to some researchers, the oleocanthal in 3.4 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil has the same effect as 10% of the adult ibuprofen dosage. According to research, oleic acid, the main fatty acid in olive oil, can lower levels of important inflammatory markers such as C-reactive protein. According to one study, olive oil antioxidants can also inhibit some genes and proteins that cause inflammation. Number 4. Olive oil may help prevent strokes. Stroke is caused by a disruption in blood flow to your brain, which can be caused by a blood clot or bleeding. Stroke is the leading cause of death in developed countries, trailing only heart disease. The link between olive oil and stroke risk has been extensively researched. According to a large review of studies involving 841,000 people, olive oil was the only source of monounsaturated fat associated with a lower risk of stroke and heart disease. Another study of 140,000 people found that those who consumed olive oil had a much lower risk of stroke than those who did not. If you've made it this far into the video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more health-related content, and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we post a new video. Now, back to the video. Number 5. Olive oil is protective against heart disease. Heart disease is the leading cause of death worldwide, but heart disease is less common in Mediterranean countries according to observational studies conducted a few decades ago. This prompted extensive research on the Mediterranean diet, which has now been shown to significantly lower the risk of heart disease. One of the key ingredients in this diet is extra virgin olive oil, which protects against heart disease in a variety of ways. It reduces inflammation, protects LDL cholesterol from oxidation, improves blood vessel lining, and may help prevent extensive blood clotting. It has also been shown to reduce blood pressure, which is one of the leading risk factors for heart disease and premature death. Olive oil even reduced the need for blood pressure medication by 48% in one study. If you have heart disease, a family history of heart disease, or any other major risk factor, you should consume a lot of extra virgin olive oil. Number 6. Olive oil is not linked to weight gain and obesity. Excessive fat consumption leads to weight gain. Numerous studies, however, have linked the Mediterranean diet, which is high in olive oil, to weight loss. Consuming a lot of olive oil was not linked to increased weight in a 30-month study of over 7,000 Spanish college students. Furthermore, a 3-year study of 187 participants discovered that a diet high in olive oil was associated with higher levels of antioxidants in the blood as well as weight loss. Number 7. Olive oil may fight Alzheimer's disease. Alzheimer's disease is the world's most common neurodegenerative condition. One of its hallmarks is the formation of beta amyloid plaques within your brain cells. One mouse study found that an ingredient in olive oil can help remove these plaques. A human study also found that a Mediterranean diet high in olive oil improved brain function. However, keep in mind that more research on the effects of olive oil on Alzheimer's disease is still required. Number 8. Olive oil can help treat rheumatoid arthritis. Rheumatoid arthritis is an autoimmune disease that causes painful and deformed joints. Although the exact cause is unknown, it involves your immune system mistakenly attacking normal cells. In people with rheumatoid arthritis, olive oil supplements appear to improve inflammatory markers and reduce oxidative stress. When combined with fish oil, a source of anti-inflammatory omega-3 fatty acids, olive oil appears to be especially beneficial. Olive and fish oil significantly improved hand grip strength, joint pain, and morning stiffness in people with rheumatoid arthritis, according to one study. Number 9. Olive oil have anti-cancer properties. Cancer is one of the leading causes of death worldwide. Many researchers believe that people in Mediterranean countries have lower risk of certain cancers, and olive oil may be the reason. The antioxidants in olive oil can help reduce oxidative damage caused by free radicals, which is thought to be the major cause of cancer. Many in vitro studies show that the compounds in olive oil can kill cancer cells. However, more research is needed to determine whether olive oil actually reduces your risk of cancer. Choosing the right type of olive oil is critical. Some of the antioxidants and bioactive compounds found in olives are retained in extra virgin olive oil. As a result, it's considered healthier than refined olive oil. Therefore, read labels carefully to ensure you're getting real extra virgin olive oil. Reading ingredient lists and looking for quality certification is always a good idea. That's it for today's video. Let us know what you think in the comments below. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe for more health-related content, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we post a new video, and I'll see you on the next one.